Hi guys, so today we have this iPhone XX, and we realize that whenever charger is plugged to it, the phone will become unresponsive or the screen will start pressing itself. Different application will start opening by itself. So we realize that the charger that is being used with it is a 20-watt charger, and whenever you remove the charger, the iPhone work perfectly fine. And we tried using a much lower wattage of charger, and the phone worked perfectly fine also. So what we concluded to eventually is that the 20-watt charger that is being used with it is faulty. It supports up to 20-watt charger, but this particular one is faulty and it needs to be replaced.